What's up, Rinse Gang? Back with another video, man. Today we gonna be updating our intake and shit, going with a cold air intake. Still by K&N. Just when it picked it up earlier this morning. Slap him up here and see what it do. I'm gonna do a before and after. This the before. I'm finna start her up. Engine block, buddy. Yeah, I know I'm using this bogus ass shit, but don't trip. I'm finna go get my real screwdriver. When I get to tightening everything up, I'm gonna grab a real screwdriver. Might just get my little drill though. On this, your eyes, man. Said take this off. This is the mass airflow sensor for those who don't know. Keep that. So that's going on the other one. And then it said take this. This is going too. Look at this filter, bro. Damn. Now that probably got a lot to do with everything. Can you see good on there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Look at that again. That filter nasty, bro. I've never changed it before. Out with the old, in with the new. So next, we gotta remove this whole thing right here. I think they said these bolts right here is 10 millimeter too. 10 millimeters on this side. And then it just should be sitting right on top of a clip. Right side shit at. Just use this. I got sockets in my trunk. If I can't get to it with this, I'll go get them. But oh damn! Should have used the socket. Broke one of my clips. It's cool though. Still got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 left.
Like this right there.
How the fuck is it a hole in there?
It should.
Yeah, it'll fall out. Wasn't too bad getting these out. I ain't had to go get my sockets. You shouldn't even really need to go get sockets for this. Like I said, it's this set off on the little clamp thing right there, so keep that in mind. Remove this. Taking this off. I'm gonna be deleting the windshield washer fluid, but I might end up putting it back if I can get it fixed, if I can find out why it's not working. Secondary air pump gonna get deleted. I got catless headers that's going on, so. All right, y'all, got it out. Mass airflow, the little tube, the old tube, and it got the little piece that it got another piece inside this tube. It's like a small little washer. It's like, I wouldn't even say it's a washer. It's something of that nature though. But just remember that. So if you pull this off, this probably will still be setting in that end. It'll probably still be setting off in there. So just make sure to look out for that. Pull that off. We go over here to the box. Gave us the whole shebang. Everything. This, brand new washers, new tube. Alright. Let me put this together real quick. We back. We got the little what's the name, halfway in. I just got to tighten it up real quick and secure this side. But for the most part, we about ready. Alright, y'all. I've been wrestling with this shit all day. Finally got her in. About to slap the last piece onto the puzzle. And shit be ready. Huh? You said the SS? That red one? Yeah. Yeah, I know that bitch nice. Yeah, though. Let's get it busting.
This say, look. Yeah, good.
Go get y'all one. The big boy, y'all. Time to slap it on in. That's what I like about K&N. Everything more high quality, even the plastic that is wrapped with. Yeah.
This dude.
Yeah. Don't judge me, y'all. I don't know everything. My hands look like this, so my car can look like this. Yes, sir. We all together now, y'all. I got the little trim. Got that lined up. Got a piece right there on the side. Two pieces down there. So the airflow should be pretty good. We about to start it and see if it sound any different. See what's going on, and then we gonna take it on a test run. Let's get it. We gonna see, y'all. About to go test it out. I just took it for a little spin just to see what it was gonna be like. And when you hit that joint, that motherfucker snatching. And I ain't gonna lie, my shit idle a lot better. Maybe because the air filter was nasty as hell from the jump. But yeah, ready to test this thing out and see what it could do. I ain't ran no test or none shit like that, but I know off the rip, I put the best NGK plugs you could get. I put the best NGKs in here. I just did a whole tune-up. I'm finna upgrade the fuel system. Just a couple of things, man. Yes, sir. But I'm gonna get y'all a test run in a minute.